Today's lesson is on theme, the writer's message. As a reader, you have so many things that you're looking for when you're reading, but one very important thing to find is the theme. The theme is the writer's message. So we're going to divide our notes into 3 sections for today: theme defined, theme idea, and theme practice. Let's define theme first. Theme has so many names, such as life's lesson, or meaning, moral, or message about life or human nature, or the human experience that is communicated in a literary work. The theme may be descriptive, meaning it exposes a problem, or prescriptive, which means it offers a solution. Theme is what the story teaches the reader. And in order for it to be a true theme, a for real theme, there must be a universal truth or comment that can be applied to people and life in general, not just the characters in the story. Theme is about big world ideas and values such as freedom and trust and courage and good versus evil and so on. But theme is not stated in one word like big ideas and values. Theme is expressed in a sentence. You do not have to agree with the theme to identify it. So you may not agree with the author, but it doesn't matter if that's the theme. As I stated before, themes are rarely clearly stated, but they're often implied. That means that something is suggested, but not actually said. You will need to infer. Themes are bigger than the story. We have this small little world of the story, and as we can see, the theme applies to the whole world. It applies to anybody, any culture, anywhere in the world. So themes are universal. Let's identify a theme. So we have a story, and step 1 for theme identification is ask yourself, what is the big idea that the story is teaching? So you're going to try to find out the author's view about life based on this story. And the author is going to reveal that by how the characters behave and think. So this is the subject topic. It is usually an abstract noun. So for those of us that may have forgotten, a noun can be a person, a place, a thing, or a noun can be an idea. And for it to be a big idea, it has to be an abstract noun. So these are things you cannot touch, you cannot smell, you cannot see, you cannot hear. In other words, they are things you cannot experience using your senses. Abstract nouns are justice and bravery, courage, kindness, fairness, compassion, and truth. So I have a whole list of abstract nouns here, and there are so many more. So you're going to read the story, Honesty Counts, and I'm just going to go on and read it out loud for you. Tim despised his old baseball glove. He wanted to play with his new glove, but he didn't have any money, so he decided to steal it. When Tim got caught stealing the glove, his parents said he couldn't play baseball all summer long. So what is the topic or big idea of the work, story, or poem? Well, the abstract noun that I see in this story is honesty. It is an abstract noun, honesty. Step 2, you're going to consider the title. You're going to consider the characters. You're going to consider the big moments, and you're going to consider the resolution. That is where you're going to find all of your evidence to go with the big idea. So you have the big idea of honesty, and then when you look at the characters, the title, the big moments, the resolution, what are they saying about the big ideas in this story? Well, the title is Honesty Counts, and we know that Tim steals the glove because he didn't have enough money. He gets caught, and then his parents punishes him all summer. So you're going to take a big idea / abstract noun plus your support, and then you're going to write your theme. So honesty plus the support means that the theme is if you want something, then it is better to get it in an honest way. Go on and number your paper from 1 to 4. So you have 4 themes here, and you're going to match them with the topic. Go on and pause the video while you do this work. And here are the answers. How did you do? I knew you would get it. Go on and read this story, The Ant and the Grasshopper, and then you're going to go through the process of determining the theme. So you're going to find out what is the topic or big idea of the story. You're going to add in the support. What does the title say? The characters, the big ideas or big moments, and the resolution all say about the big idea. And you're going to put those together to write a sentence in order to find the theme. So I'm going to go back to that story, and you're going to read it on your own and find that theme. When you finish, please turn it into your teacher so your teacher will know that you now understand how to find the theme.